Alright, here we go. New motor time.
So both of them have new motors now.
Yeah. A massive cart in there. Are you ready? Quiet. I approve.
I don't think it's as cool as the original.
I like this new motor, honestly. I probably like it better than Macy's. Alright, I already rode this, but
now I appear, so we're doing it again.
And also, I had to retake this anyway, because some kids decided to ruin the video.
You gonna sit there? You coming?
You coming?
Yeah, Ethan's coming.
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, let's listen. Oh,
that was me, my bad.
Alright, let's listen to this motor. I really like that. Needed?
Needed.
Oh.
We'll see if we stop on one. We probably will. Believe it or not, this used to chime at one time.
Yes, I know. I wish it still worked. I like old gongs.
It
Yeah,
sounded like
EPCO gong.
No, it was the same chime that the Broadway Mall glass elevator has.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Looks like we're going all the way?
Yeah. Well, if someone needs it, we'll get off and we'll take a listen.
Yeah.
Unless you just push the button.
That's fine, I forgot. I never.
Yeah. You didn't hear it scream. Someone probably needs it though.
We'll see.
Yeah, they need it.
Okay.
Rita Rodriguez!
Hi, how are you?
Good, good. I'm taking a ride up with her. I'll be back in a minute.
Alright, let's
Bye,
listen.
guys.
Alright, let's listen to this.
We're reuniting with some friends.
Oh, yeah, I could hear it. Is it in there? There's the freight, and it's blocked by.
That's a loud sound.
Wait, that looks like hydraulic fluid. Yeah, that's like.
Yeah, that's weird. It's...
Look at that. There's weights.
Oh, what the?
Is it getting a mod?
Oh, no. I hope not.
Yeah, that's hydraulic fluid.
That's elevator weights. What the hell?
Elevator weights. Really? Back there? Huh.
I hope the hell that thing is not getting modded. Motor is angelic enough.
I hope it comes back down.
It's here. It's here. It's here.
It is.
Okay, I don't want it getting stuck. That's like my biggest fear of elevators because I almost got stuck in one in California. To be told that you had to swipe your card.
I remember when I got stuck in Broadway's.
Curse you.
Alright, I want to go upstairs and say hi to them, so why don't you guys come up to the mall and then I'll go up.
Hold on a second. There's weights here. You see this?
Yeah, they were, oh no. Oh no.
They can't.
Oh no.
That can't be.
It might be.
What's wrong?
I think they were replacing the motor on the freight elevator.
I swear to shots if that actually happens.
Because when they do a capacity test, and they were all out here last when they were testing this one, so I think they're doing the freight now.
You just
Yeah, you guys want to go up to the mall level?
Yeah, we can do that.
Yeah, I'm just stretching my back. It's just really.
All right, hurry up, goddammit.
Yeah, it's my lower back, Barbie. I just had to sit for a few minutes.
Ah!
Oh my gosh, thank you.
It's getting way too.
Oh, you went all the
Thank
way
you.
up there.
Perfect. Good reflexes.
Yes.
Ooh, he's very quick when it comes
Yes,
yes.
I saw that. This elevator is so slow.
They just gave it a new motor.
And it's smooth, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
A little quicker now, but then when it's leveling off here, oh, never mind, I take it back.
Very good.
go.
Oh, enjoy.
And obviously,
Oh wait, I'm going up one more.
One more. You're coming to offer?
Yep.
Okay.
All right, I'll meet you guys in the mall, okay?
all right.
Sounds
Here it
good.
goes. See if we can hear the thing.
He's quite something, isn't he? And you can hear him talking.
Dude, I really hope the freight. Oh my god. Dude, that's a big deal because that means you'll never get to hear it. Is it going up? Nope, it's coming down. He's not even press. I'm coming up! Home Alone. I love this new motor though, actually. I can't lie. I mean, I probably did this. This is... They left! How dare they? Okay, that's it. Yeah, at the Apple Store. I better go.